light because I look red. We'll work with this. I teared up a little. I don't know why I teared up. I really like that book. Oh, it was a cute book. I've mentioned this in my previous vlog, but I just needed a little bit of lightness in my life because it's just been a hard few weeks. It was really sweet. It was really sweet. I really liked the book. I don't think I mentioned it, but basically I was reading First Time Caller by B.K. Borison. I don't want to say what I think this rating is because I need to sleep on it, but I think I know what this might be. That was so cute. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Vidi for those of you who are new here. I thought for this video, I always say at the end of my videos that I like to make book content and some vlogs here and there, and I have not done a vlog in a few months. It's been a while, so I thought let's do a bit of a slice of life kind of vlog. It is the most basic of the basic things that I have to do. I have to go get groceries. I'm currently practicing for a showcase for my studio right now. So if you see just random bruises on my body like this one, that's pole. I'm so glad it's cold and I can just wear jeans, and that's totally fine because my legs are so nasty right now. So yeah, today is just a chill day. It's going to be a very chill video. Like I said, I just came back from practice and took a shower because I was really sweaty and nasty. Did my skincare routine and stuff like that. I was going to bring you from the start of my day, but I forgot, if I'm being honest. So here we are, middle of the day. It's Saturday. But yeah, we don't have much on our plate aside from groceries today. So if I do anything else that's kind of fun, I'll bring y'all along. But yeah, we're keeping it simple, and I'm gonna go do my grocery list right now, go get groceries, and we'll see what else we get into. Simple, relaxing slice of life with, of course, reading, because this wouldn't be my channel if I'm not reading. So let's jump to the next clip. If you haven't tried these from Trader Joe's, the lemon elderflower soda, they are my favorite. Love them. It does remind me of Taco Bell because of the tortilla, but it's pretty good. I have my deformed peep here, and I have my Kindle. I'm reading a dark romance on my Kindle because yeah, I can. And I'm reading also, this is my peep. Go away. I'm also reading Brave New World. I'm gonna read a little bit of both, but my goal is to take a nap because I'm tired. I'm so tired. Okay friends, you're on my car. I have a showcase prep right now. It's still pretty early and I slept kind of late last night and I had to wake up early to make it on time to showcase prep. So we're gonna go get a protein latte because I'm exhausted and my body's exhausted and the caffeine will just help me a little bit. Are you focused on me? Oh my god, focus on me. I'm so tired. Let's go get our coffee and then we're gonna go to showcase prep. Okay, I got this marshmallow drink I've been wanting to try since I came yesterday because it looks so good. Wait, hold on, let me show you all. Do you see that? It is so yummy, so good. Okay, cool. Oh, it looks so good. Okay. It's pretty good. I can feel the caffeine. I look like a mess. Let's go to my studio now.
I've learned that there's an art to changing, that I'm the potter and the clay.
You see that?
I'm the canvas and the painter, the marble that I sculpt away. Every stroke of a brush, every finger's touch is a rosy cheek of a love-struck flush, is a sunburned wing of a heartbreak crush, is a rush, feel the rush. Masterpieces take a lifetime.